Do you know all those cookie pies and blondies made with chickpeas? Yeah, been there, done that. Or this side. There'll be links somewhere or in the description. Today I'm gonna switch that up and use some white beans. Most often those cookie pies or brownies do need nut butter. We're changing that up as well and using some tahini instead. We make this simple batter by blending up all of the ingredients and then pouring it in a baking dish, adding some chocolate chips if you want, and baking it. I think I like the texture of the white beans more than the chickpeas. The chickpeas add a little bit of graininess to the batter. Also, the batter dries out a lot more when you use chickpeas. So let's make it. Now you can use a food processor or a blender. Add the white beans, maple syrup, oil, tahini or a smooth nut butter, brown sugar, then blend or process until the mixture is really smooth. If you're using a food processor, you can add the flour, baking powder and salt in the food processor and process until the mixture is smooth. If you're using a blender, transfer the blended bean mixture to a bowl, then add in the flour, baking powder and salt and mix that in. Pour this batter into the lined baking pans. Sprinkle half of the chocolate and mix it in. Then spread the batter evenly with a spatula. Top that batter with the remaining chocolate. Then bake the blondies for 20 minutes. Check if the center is set, otherwise bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. Cool for about 10 minutes, then transfer from the pan, slice and enjoy. These look great and they have beans in them, so they are practically breakfast or a snack. You can use chickpeas in this recipe as well. Bake them a little longer so that they're nicely set and starting to get golden, or bake them till just about done so that they're slightly more fudgy in the middle. I like to add both white chocolate chips and dark chocolate chips, but you can add whichever chocolate chips you want. You can chop up a bar of chocolate and add all of that to your blondie, especially the larger pieces of the chocolate bar on top, which will melt really nicely once they are baked and look really great. So make it however you like it and do try it. If you do try these blondies, do let me know in the comments how you like them. If you do try my other blondies and brownies as well, made with chickpeas and lentils, do let me know how you like those as well. Don't forget to review them on the website. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun and creative vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.